But guys, before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, to comment on this video, and of course you can tell me where you are watching this video right now, guys. And don't forget that this amazing recipe doesn't have overdose and doesn't have side effects. The more you take it, the more you become perfect. Take this drink at least 3 days in the week: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Trust me, this is what you need to boost your performance. This amazing recipe will improve your performance forever. Trust me, it will make your joystick stiff, the same time strong. And if you have ever used masturbation, you need this home recipe to bring back your good performance. Trust me, you need this amazing recipe. Very easy to make at home. Just need to take it every day on your empty stomach. Take it every day on your empty stomach. Trust me, after 4 weeks, you'll be amazed with the performance. This is a powerful home drink which you need to take it every day on your empty stomach. Just get yourself uncooked egg. We need only egg yolk. Only egg yolk. This is amazing recipe which will bring back your good performance, which will increase on your endurance. Now here is egg yolk, and I told you we need egg yolk. Or next we need Nescafe. Yes, Nescafe. We need only 1 spoon, also 1 spoon for this coffee powder. Only 1 spoon, guys, is enough. Bring it here, then make sure that you mix very well our home recipe, guys. Okay, mix very well. Get for me lemon. It has to be yellow in color at home. We need only 1 piece, so it means you get a half of your lemon. Squeeze it and get its juice, as you see what I'm doing right now in this video. Bring here your juice, which we need only. Okay, as you see. So next we need garlic. Okay, we need just 1 piece of garlic, as you see. Only this one is enough. Okay, 1 piece of garlic. Remove the outer part of your garlic, just grating it first. Okay, do the same. Bring it here, mix again very well. So next step, you need hot water, hot boiled water. Make sure that your water is totally hot, okay, well boiled and it's hot. So you need just 1 glass, as you see. Add it here. This is enough. Okay, and mix very well. Lastly, we need natural honey. We are going to add only 1 spoon to our home remedy. Okay, 1 spoon to our home remedy. Just 1 spoon is enough, guys. So it's enough. This is the way it looks like. Very nice remedy and doesn't have side effects, no overdose, and it's natural. I want you to take this home recipe every day on your empty stomach before eating anything. Trust me, take it at least less than 4 weeks to start seeing good results in 3 weeks. But start taking it right now on your empty stomach less than 4 weeks. If I tell you less than 4 weeks, it means you can take more than 4 weeks, 10, 12, but less than 4 weeks. Trust me, you are doing the same. This is amazing home remedy which will bring back your performance forever. So if you are less than 5 minutes, please take this home recipe every day less than 4 weeks. My dear, you are doing the same.